I'm the director of our Center for Career Development and Experiential Education, and here today at our Career and Internship Fair. It's one of our largest fairs to date in terms of our employers and graduate programs. Excited to have everyone on campus recruiting our students.
It's been really fun. I've got to make a lot of good connections. I've got a few internship offers, and it's just really fun to walk around and meet people. So I think it's a good experience that everyone should do.
Today I'm really just exploring my career options and maybe my options for the future. I'm debating back and forth between going to maybe a graduate program or maybe just going directly into a career once I graduate in May. This career fair has been great, and it's given me a lot of opportunities, but it's been bad because there's so many opportunities for me.
People have been out helping job experience wise and graduate school wise, which I really appreciate. Even if they don't carry your program, they'll direct you to somewhere that do. So it's been really nice.
So I've met a lot of different people in the animal science. So I don't know, I just met a lot of people. It was really cool. They're super nice and gave me a lot of advice for my future.
Excellent.
You should come. It's a great thing to go to.
Well, this is my first one of these, and this is my first semester as a marketing major and in the College of Business, so I'm starting to get more immersed into the business world, and I think that's pretty cool, so it's pretty cool.
Well, I work for the Fund for Global Health, and I have the opportunity through this organization to professionally represent them while also being a student. So not only do I get to advocate for the school, but I also get to advocate for something that could go on later to my career.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it's right there by the 10s. It's very nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's one of the best career job fairs I've been to in a while.
Our Career and Internship Fair has been wonderful today. We've had over 110 employers and graduate programs coming to campus to recruit. We've had close to 500 students and alumni take advantage. Really like to thank everyone for making the time to be here, and we hope to see you at our next one.